Srimati Smriti Irani.
Thank you, sir. Sir, the statement that the Honorable Home Minister has laid on the floor of the House today is silent on many issues. It is silent on the fact that a mother and an old grandmother were made to wait in a police station in Lakhni, Bhandara, till 1:30 in the night. It is silent on the fact that it's only after this case came to the attention of the media at large, it's only when public outrage was seen by the government in Maharashtra that a little action started. But what this statement, sir, highlights is the Maharashtra and specifically the police in Bhandara was so inept that even after the so-called intense tracing of the missing children, it is a person in whose well the 3 bodies were dumped. It is after that citizen alerted the police that the police found these 3 children. Sir, time and again I have stood in this house and I have asked the Honorable Home Minister, is the mere suspension of a PI enough to send a signal to criminals at large that our system is not dependent only on outrage, not only dependent on the Indian media to highlight the plight of women and children in our country? I would like to bring it to the attention of the Honorable Home Minister that in the same area of Lakhni, on the 22nd, after public outrage over the death of 3 children, a teacher goes and sexually assaults a child. Yesterday, in the district of Sangli, which is the home district of the Home Minister of Maharashtra, a girl was gang raped. The news which has come to us is this. Home Minister of Maharashtra, sir. But since you yourself hail from the state of Maharashtra, Mr. Shinde, I would today like to plead to you on an issue which I have been pleading with the Chief Minister of Maharashtra for the past 2 years. If we want to tell the women and children of Maharashtra that the state will protect them, then why is it that after continuous pleas, the Chief Minister of Maharashtra has, as of this date, failed to name a chairperson for the Women's State Commission? How many more women and children have to be raped? How many of them have to die before the state government of Maharashtra will wake up? And I again, sir, reiterate my plea to the Union Home Minister. Is mere suspension of a police officer who does not take cognizance of the helplessness, of the anxiety, of the fear of a mother whose 3 daughters go missing, is mere suspension enough? When will we punish those officers who do not fulfill their responsibility towards protecting the vulnerable in our society? It is till such time that such officers are not punished, sir, duly under the law, that these cases will continue to happen.
Okay.
As Mr. Hanumantarao said today, that after the Delhi gang rape, there was a possible, expectation that such cases will diminish. But these cases continue to rise, sir, because criminals at large in our country know that the system will fail the victim. So my plea to you again, as not only the Union Home Minister, is that till such time that a slap on the wrist, which is a mere suspension, till such time that a police officer fails to protect citizens, prevent crime, till such officers are not harshly punished, we will not see a change in the system.
Okay, thank you.
And as an MP from Maharashtra, sir, I am pleading to you today, impress upon the Chief Minister of Maharashtra that the State Women's Commission has gone without a chairperson for over 2 years. It cannot afford it anymore.
Okay, Sri K.D. Singh.